Well, guys, absolutely bored as shit. So, look like James Prince. He's sleeping, the little bastard. But I'm gonna dig this out, and I haven't got the parts yet for it. I'm just bored. I gotta get this bike in that shed, and figure I'll leave my quad out, just keep it under the tarp. But I want to fire it up. Hasn't been fired up since last time Mary tried. No, the box. I gotta bury that box. There's actually a dead kitty in there. Found him on the road and just didn't want to leave him, so I put him in a box. And of course, we got some snow, so I'm gonna maneuver some shit around so I can get the four-wheeler out. A little beast. So we're gonna have to try and start this. Oh, don't want to wreck Mary's camera. Gotta find a place to put it. Actually, I'll pull it out. I'll pull it out and start it. Now let's see if this really is a Honda. Getting too old for this shit. Smoke too much. And I gotta pee. Alright, try this again. Well, it's running. Gotta turn up the idle though. Okay, I'm gonna warm it up real good, and since we got a bit of snow, I'm gonna do some donuts. Sweet. Sorry about the wind and maybe the camera is rocking. Don't like this camera. It doesn't have a... Gotta get one of those little mini tripods. But actually doing pretty good in the snow. So I've got the new sprocket in the house. As you can probably hear when I was riding it, the chain really smacks, and it's like adjusted all the way pulled out. So got the new chain coming in the front sprocket. I already got the rear. Still waiting for it. Sweet. Alrighty, cheers guys. I had my fun. But should be maybe tomorrow or Wednesday, I hope, and get the sprocket and chain, and then I can go seriously play. Cheers.